Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Radiant, cast iron for Star Mfg part, hashtag 2F-1515001. Radiant, cast iron for Magikitch'N part, hashtag 2F-1515001 is a replacement part for Magikitch'N commercial grills. It is a cast iron Radiant that fits the Magikitch'N models 1515, 1520, and 1525. This part is designed to provide even heat distribution and to ensure that the grill surface remains hot and ready for cooking. The cast iron construction ensures durability and longevity, while the special design of the Radiant helps to reduce flare-ups. This part is easy to install and comes with all necessary hardware. It is an essential component of any commercial. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Radiant, cast iron for Magikitch'N part, hashtag 2F-1515001 is designed to replace the existing cast iron grates on a Magikitch'N range. It will help to improve the performance of the range by providing a more even heat distribution and better heat retention. It can also help to reduce flare-ups and prevent food from sticking to the grates. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the Magikitch'N. Appliance 2. Remove the existing Radiant from the appliance and disconnect any wiring that is connected to it. 3. Place the new Radiant, cast iron for Magikitch'N part, hashtag 2F-1515001 into position and secure it with screws or bolts, depending on your model of appliance. 4. Connect the wiring to the new Radiant, making sure that all connections are secure and properly insulated. 5. Turn on the power to the appliance and test that the new Radiant is working correctly by turning on a burner or two. And you can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.